This is a great action song to help your child remember their opposites. When you move along to the words in a book or in a song, it emphasizes the meaning of the words and it helps your child to remember them later on. I'm going to split myself into two, and on one side of the screen, I'm going to sing and play the ukulele. On the other side of the screen, I'm going to share with you the actions to this song, so then you can sing and move your bodies. Are we ready? This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. This is tall, tall, tall. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. You got the hang of it? Let's try it together now. Here we go. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short.